Either way, I should have blocked him better than I did.
Here, Abe.
Thanks. Don't panic. We can still get back one run. Not again. Watch out!
Where'd he go?
Mihashi, here! Throw the ball! What the hell are you waiting for?
Out!
You stupid son of a... Time up.
Time out!
You trying to give up this run? Why don't you get your head in the game? Easy, Abe. Hey, what are you so mad about? What took you so long to throw the ball home? Maybe Mihashi couldn't hear you over the roar of the crowd. That's ridiculous. Well, you should probably let go of it so we can get on with the game. The base runner on third was much bigger than Abe. So there. You didn't want Abe to get hurt in a collision. You dumbass! How many years have you been playing this game? You make me want to choke you! I told you I can handle physical contact! Stop thinking and just play! You're gonna lose the game for us! Abe, look man, I know you're angry, but... if I tell you to throw the ball, just throw it. And don't question me anymore. Good, glad we settled that. Now let's get this last out so we can win this game on our own terms. Chill, he's not mad at you anymore.
Thank goodness Abe hasn't forgotten about his promise to avoid injury. I need him behind the plate.
Okay, for the next 3 years I won't get hurt. I won't even get sick. I'll be behind the plate for every game you throw.
I didn't mean to question him. Wonder if he's ready.
I want Mihashi to win this one. It's exactly the ego boost he needs.
Abe, let's win. Okay?
All right, there's 3 innings to go. I'm counting on you.
He won't make eye contact. Well, at least he doesn't look hurt. Be careful on that mud, okay?
Can I get a timeout?
Time!
No place to hide. No place to hide. On the mound.
Hey, get that look off your face. It's raining and it's getting slick out here. Nobody thinks it's your fault. Give me your hand. Whoa. He's sweating bullets, but his hand is ice cold. Look at him. He's shaking.
This is so embarrassing. I know my hands are frozen, but I don't want him to make me stop pitching.
We're going to walk the second batter. I'll set up like normal, but throw well outside the strike zone.
Abe doesn't trust me to throw now. He thinks I'm a lousy pitcher.
Focus on your footing and keep a solid grip on the ball.
But an intentional walk won't solve anything.
Hey, are you hearing me? You don't need to slap the guy. He just wants you to watch your step and hold on to the ball. Got it? You're the only chance we've got to win. Snap out of it.
I'm the only chance? So much better.
Give me your hand. Your right hand. Show me your grip. look on your face again.
Soupy look?
Yeah, squeeze this. Well, your grip's still good. What? Give me your hand again. Yo! They decided not to call the game, you guys. Everybody back to the dugout.
All right. Mihashi. Look, man, I'm not mad at you, so don't get so freaked out. And stop hiding behind them. I told you I'm not mad. Now listen. Have a seat on the bench and relax while we're up to bat this inning. You may have to pitch again. He's right. They have the lead, so if we can't score here, we're done for. Up by one. If we go into extra innings, we're at the disadvantage. We've got to end it now. Mihashi!